Howdy, folks. General back to you. Hey, I got you a good little crafty treat for you. If you're working with PVC pipe, now if you got one of those ratchet squeeze cutters, that's you don't have to worry about deburring it. But if you cut it with a saw or a hacksaw or a hand saw or something, it's gonna burr it up, kind of like that right there. And you see people cleaning it up with a file or a pocket knife or a piece of sandpaper, you know, a ream, all kind of stuff. And I was doing a little job one time, this many years ago, and I was in my prayers, and God put a little something in my head, and I said, I'm gonna try that out, and I did. And it worked so good. Of course, everything He gives me is good, and I've turned a lot of people on to this. I said, I'm doing this little thing right here. I said, I think I'll do a little video on that and give it to the world. It works so good. All you got to have is two pieces the same size. Okay? Even if it's a long piece of pipe that you're cleaning up, and you got a little short piece that you've cut off, well, naturally you're going to have two pieces because you just cut one of them off. So, put that one on the side of it like that and turn this one. Outside's clean, stick it on the inside. Turn it. Inside's clean. How about them apples? Put that on the inside, turn it. Doesn't hurt a thing, knocks that stuff off. Pretty as you please. Do the other end down here. Works so good, and it's quick, and you don't have to worry about getting hurt. A knife slipping or something. I mean, that's slick. Both ends, that quick. And you ain't seen me get a knife or nothing. Now, this is Schedule 20 PVC, but Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 work the same way. So, you got a little job like that, pray about it. You'll be amazed at some of the stuff that God tells you. And sometimes He tells you stuff that doesn't even pertain to what you're doing, but it might be something other you're trying to figure out before. And you're sitting there and just poring over it, and I can't figure that out. And He might tell you some of that too, because He knows what's on your head. All right, I love everybody. Y'all like and subscribe. Hit the bell and make comments. This is General. I'm out.